Okay, second jolly afternoon, Singaw. They're in the area, ganyan, well, chicken, yes or no? Yes! Mahiraman. Again, ganahan, chicken, yes or no? Okay, so for this area naman, ganahan or dili? Hindi mahirapan. Okay, again, this area, ganahan, chicken, yes or no? Yes! Okay, sinaw, since ganahan mga chicken ang talang dapat mag-participate sa mga activity ni Kuya Ryan, ano? Okay, sinaw, everyone, our first activity. Okay, so now since wala pa man si Mami, so later na lang daddies, it matches with a given color. Okay, so now this area, unsa man ginatag nga color ni Kuya Ryan? Color? Again, color? Very good. Okay, so now about this area naman. What color did Kuya Carlo give it to you? Color? Again, color? Okay, very good. See now again, kids. My question is, are you ready? Okay, see now. In 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, for Team Blue, you can collect all the 3 liners, and then for Team Red, you can collect all the 40 hats. 14, 14 and a half, 15. Okay, so now kids go back.
Gikan sa akong fan.
Kanang combine ba to or gikan pala dun siya? Yun pala yung meaning, no? Palapakan naman natin si Daddy, no? Okay, hindi rin magpapatalo si Mami. Okay, sila Mami, may first question for this. Saan kayo always nag-spend time together ni Alika? Exam sa house.
Seaside.
Sa season, sa playground. Okay, kung sabi siya ka lang nag-aagaw or every Sunday or Saturday? Every day off. Okay, so palapakan naman natin si Mami, no? At least they spend time together, no? Okay, yun naman ang importante, di ba? Okay, ito na lang, last question for the both of you. What is your birthday wish to your son, Anika?
Good luck always. Uy! Di na mag-binaldita ha. Okay? Always good health and
Okay, kung si Daddy naman, same lang, no? Okay, sino palapakan naman natin si Daddy at saka si Mami, no? Okay, thank you so much, Mami and Daddy. You may now take your seat. Okay, see now, balik naman tayo sa... Okay, sino? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, balik. Ano ba yung chance? Okay, balik. 1, 2, 3, go! Para dyan to eh. Continuation. Okay, sino? 5.74. Okay, name ni Kuya? Writer. Okay, sino? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, 11 point. Okay, sino? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, sino si Kuya right now? Question 7.74. Okay, name ni Kuya? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so we have 7.87. Okay, so name ni Kuya? Yuhan. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Anika!
Rigel! Tapos kataas may ting si Kuya Rigel, no? Okay, pwede siya makapos sa tawag ng tanghalan. Okay, sino winners? Okay, 1, 2, for away sa Kuya ha. Wait lang siya. Mag-grab ni Kuya Juan. Okay, sina winners, thank you so much. Okay, thank you, likod na mo. Okay, so karon, ato Tagalog chance, ang ato mga bata, wala pa nakakuha og mga gate prizes, ano? Okay, sino magbanin sa tao, bring me. Okay, see now. Hey! Okay, sino si Jollibee na aliniw siya to celebrate the birthday of Anika? Okay, palakpakan naman ninyo si Jollibee, our birthday celebrant. Okay, sino mali itong birthday celebrant Jollibee? Okay, so si Bibi Anika. Okay, come here muna. Okay, sino Jollibee mauna iyang mommy Jollibee? Okay, sino mommy come here? Oh, together with daddy na lang, okay? So, naman ang daddy ni Anika Jollibee. Okay, sila ang Jollibee. Oh. Okay, sila everyone ang humble very say Jollibee, no? Manalo siya nice. Kayo na gift for her birthday celebrant. Okay, sila Anika, I want you to open your gift. Oh, ang sama na. Ang sama na yung gift ni Jollibee. Ang hot side down. Okay, sila ang Jollibee, we heard na naroon kayo gift or na kayo wishes for our birthday celebrant. Okay, so my question, Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? Jollibee is counting kung pila mo yung wishes for our birthday celebrant. Ano naman, ikaw ni Jollibee, kamo daw mong count kung pila ka mo yung wishes for our birthday celebrant. Okay, so Jollibee, my question is, are you ready? Ready na daw si Jollibee. Okay, so now everyone, let's count together with Jollibee in... Ay, man. Agin dapat gusto kay si Jollibee, dili na siya kadungkay, wala siya idunggan. Okay, dapat gusto. Okay, so now, hindi ka magsaba. Okay, so now, Jollibee in... 2, 3, 4. Ano naabot man nag-5? Kinsa ka ingon 5, Jollibee? Si Ate daw siya nag-ingon. Anong 5 mga i-count? Ipa-count balik Jollibee anong 5 ano? I-count ate. Okay, 4 na. Ano naabot man itong 5 Jollibee? Isa nag-ingon si Ate. Okay, so now Jollibee have only so basically Jollibee have only 4 wishes for her birthday celebrant Anika. Okay, so now Jollibee, my question is, what is your first wish? Okay, so now first wish ni Jollibee that Anika will grow up to be strong and healthy like Jollibee! Okay, so now Jollibee, what is your second wish? That Anika will grow up to be smart like Daddy! Smart like Daddy! Ano sa Joy? Naipon mo si Jollibee. Beautiful and sexy like Mommy! Talagang bumabawi talaga si Jollibee, no? Okay, sino mo Jollibee, what is your third wish? That Anika will grow up to be a God-fearing like everybody! Wish! Last wish. Hindi na siya mapunan, Jollibee. Upat ragin na. Lahisag na. Lahi po na. Tingin na po na. Many. Paso na rin. Many. Ipaso tali po kaso ng gusto ipapa. Asa na. Many. Birthdays to come. Here in Jollibee. Siya together with Jollibee and everybody. Okay, thank you so much, Jollibee, for your wishes for our birthday celebrant Anika. Okay, see now, Jollibee. Okay, see now, Jollibee, we heard na napo daw kayo laing ng wish for your gift. Okay, so sabay mo last gift. Okay, so sita sa mga bata. Sayaw ka? Okay, see now, everyone, gusto mo mo sayaw si Jollibee? Okay, so now let's wait any longer. Ang best friend ng lahat, ang bidin, ang sayaw, no other than Jollibee! Okay, so sitan mo na yung mga bata natin. Si Jollibee. Ito sa mga area. Please tayo ni Jollibee, pwede naman mag-picture, ha? Pag-stretching sa nila, Jollibee, kabalong lisod kayo sayaw mo, ano? Pag-stretching sa nila, Jollibee.
Ay, rapalapit di, Yara.
Pag-stretching sa nila, Jollibee. Okay, see now. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, sinaw, kiss, karong video na ta ha. Okay, sinaw, practice muna. 1, 2, 3, shout! Okay, very good to standby. Okay, sinaw, video. 1, 2, 3, shout! Happy birthday, Anika! Okay, thank you so much, kids. Okay, pasinggan mo na kayo, masaya sa si Jollibee, wait, may mag-picture ka.
Baba! Di!
Okay, thank you so much, kids. Sintan mo na kayo, masaya na si Jollibee. Alin ko sa mga bata kayo, masaya na si Jollibee na. Alin ko sa kayo, masaya si Jollibee. Okay, so now again, let's all work out. Ang bida ng saya, no other than Jollibee. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so Anika, you are truly the girl of our art, reaching your age, and now, give me blow your candle and the cake. Yeah!
Jollibee! Aray na kung nakafocus! Thank
Oy, nade! Kamera, yaduan.
Hilap duday.
ng damdamin ko. Di mo ba lisanin? Hindi mo ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi mo ba mayabang? Hindi mo ba mayabang? Makalaya, dinadalo mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo